Hey guys, welcome back to CCL Online. In this video, we're going to be looking at a couple of whole home or mesh Wi-Fi systems by TP-Link, specifically the Deco M5 whole home mesh Wi-Fi and then the Deco P9 whole home powerline mesh Wi-Fi. Deco mesh Wi-Fi is the simplest way to achieve a strong Wi-Fi signal across every corner of your home. It uses a system of units to achieve a whole home seamless coverage. By creating one unified whole home network with the same network name, your devices can automatically switch between Deco units, ensuring that you always have the strongest, fastest connection as you move throughout your home. Deco can also provide lag-free Wi-Fi for over 100 devices. First, we're going to have a look at the Deco M5, which is in front of me here. I've already taken the liberty of removing its sleeve, so let's have a look at what you get in the box. Okay, so first off you can see three identical looking units, and then underneath here you will find three identical power units as well, an instruction manual and an Ethernet cable. Having a closer look at the units themselves, you'll see on the tray they come nicely packed in little pockets and easily removable. You have a lovely, clean and contemporary design. And then on the side you've got 2 gigabit Ethernet ports. Next to that you've got your power socket here. On the bottom you've got really nice sturdy rubber feet. And then on the very top you can see this little LED light, and these actually correspond with a code that is marked on the tray here. Then of course you've got your power plug. Again, this is a really nice, clean, contemporary design, and you've got a flat cable as well, which looks really nice, as you can see. And then you've also got your Ethernet cable, which again is a nice flat design, and that will plug in. And at the other side go into your router, and this will become your base unit. Then with your other 2 units you can space these out within the home to get a seamless Wi-Fi coverage that spans up to 5,500 square feet to cover homes of all sizes. Every Deco unit acts like a router to keep your Wi-Fi running fast and eliminating dead zones. You can also enjoy the benefit of TP-Link Home Care, which includes a number of security features, including parental controls that will block inappropriate content and limit time online, 3-year built-in antivirus to protect all your connected devices, and quality of service, which allows you to prioritize applications and devices for faster performance when needed. The parental controls are quite in-depth. For example, you can create custom profiles for each member of the family and set online time limits and online allowances. Next up, we have the Deco P9, and the main difference with this one is that it combines dual band Wi-Fi and powerline to create an even stronger mesh network. So without further ado, let's have a look inside. Straight away, when you open the box, you will find 3 identical Deco units, and don't they look lovely? Let's take one out of its sleeve and have a better look. Immediately, what I'm noticing is a really cool contrast on the cylinder of white and navy blue. So on the top you have got the LED status light in the shape of the TP-Link logo. And then on the side you have 2 gigabit ports. And then down at the bottom, just hidden away here, is your power socket. So one of these units will be plugged into your router, and then that will become your base unit, and your other 2 units can be spaced throughout the home again and plugged into your power line. Though it is worth noting that for your power line to work properly, all 3 units need to be on the same circuit. The powerline connection is rated up to 1,000 megabits per second, whilst the dual band wireless connection is up to 867 megabits per second on the 5 GHz frequency and up to 300 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz frequency. The Wi-Fi coverage is slightly higher at up to 6,000 square feet in total. Both Decos are really easy to set up using the Deco app, which will walk you through every step to help you get up and running. Once you've got your units set up and ready to go, you can easily manage your Deco Wi-Fi system through the Deco app, and this is compatible with Amazon Alexa. That about sums it up here. If you guys want to know anything else about these Deco units, please check out the link in the description box below, and we will see you on the next video.